If you're looking to fit your floor covering faster, ARDITEX CL and ARDEX MVS 95 are designed to work together to be able to control residual construction moisture. On floors that contain a functioning structural damp-proof membrane, where you have moisture readings above 75% RH, you will need to use a moisture vapour suppressant. ARDEX MVS 95 is ready mixed and applied in 2 coats. It dries in as little as 60 minutes and ARDITEX CL can be applied directly without priming. For the price and the performance, we don't think ARDITEX CL can be beaten. To find out how ARDITEX CL can help you on your next project, give us a call or drop us an email.